I'm going to show you how to delete your Binance account. So first you want to open up the Binance app and make sure you're signed into the app or your account. Click on the three horizontal lines on the top left and then click on your profile name or logo. Now once this page is open, you want to click on the security tab and this should open up the security tab. Now you want to scroll down and click on manage account. And from here, you should find two options. The first option is to disable your account. And once your account is disabled, most of your actions will be restricted. And this action will not delete your account, so you can recover at any time. And if you want to get rid of it completely, you can choose the second option, which is to close the account. And this action is irreversible once closed. And you won't be able to access your account again. And additionally, if you try to create a new account, your verifications might be delayed. So in this case, you want to choose the close option and then choose the reason for closure. So for example, no longer want to use this account, and then click on continue, and then click on continue for the personal data retention, and then just accept everything here and then click on confirm. And once you continue this process, it should permanently close and delete your account. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.